Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Cleone Flor V. Suyat, isang franchise consultant dito sa dropshipping business na ginagawa itong full-time for a year now. I am a registered pharmacist by profession and a book author. At nandito ka ngayon dahil curious ka din about this dropshipping business at kung paano ito ginagawa. Bakit ito trending na trending sa mga social media? This is the House of Franchise and JC Dropshipping Business. Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano ito ginagawa? Kung paano kumita dito kahit nasa abroad ka man, nasa Pinas, empleyado, estudyante, tambay, o kahit nasaan ka man sa mundo. Ang negosyong ito ay nangangailangan lang ng cellphone at wifi connection. Ay pwedeng-pwede mo na itong simulan agad. Marami nang naghaw, pero iilan lang ang matatapang na dreamers ang nag-take ng action para sa negosyong ito. Tulad mo, kaya ka nandito ngayon at pinapanood itong global business orientation ko. So magsimula na tayo. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. What if I tell you na pwede kang kumita ng extra 100,000 this year? In just 6 months. And you can do it part-time. Sobrang trending na ngayon ang dropshipping and online selling, retailing, at wholesaling. Dahil nasa new normal na tayo, marami ng mga tao into online business. Nagamit lang ang kanilang cellphone na connected sa Wi-Fi. So sa dropshipping and online selling, napaka-in-demand nito at napaka-profitable. Nakapag-online shopping ka na rin ba sa Shopee, sa Shein, sa TikTok, at sa Lazada? Super in-demand ng mga ito at napaka-convenient. At hindi mo na kailangan ng malaking puhunan para simulan itong dropshipping business. Sa retailing naman, in-demand din at profitable. Ito naman yung pagbili ng mga produkto na paisa-isa at ibibenta mo. Dito sa retailing, ito yung pagbili mo ng mga produkto paisa-isa at ibibenta mo sa mga customers mo. So, kikita ka din dito. Kaso, konti lang pwede mong kitain. Ito ay bibili ka ng mga products mo in discounted price at ibibenta mo yon in SRP. At sa wholesaling naman, ito ay in demand at profitable din. Dito sa wholesaling ay bibili ka ng mga products na bultuhan at mas malaki ang makukuha mong discount from the supplier. At mayroon tayong secret dyan. There are three secrets of successful business. Una, company. Dapat stable at legit yan. Dapat may strong reputation ang company at ang mga owners. Innovative. Pangalawa, product. Dapat top quality yan. Trusted by people and personalities. At internationally recognized. So yung pangatlo, profitability. Dapat may good profit margin yan. Product in demand at always available anytime, anywhere. So, reviewin ulit natin yung three secrets of successful business. Company, product, at profitability. Your business can be successful. So, good news. We have created a business system which is the first and only system there is. So, you could earn an extra 100,000 in just 6 months. So, una sa tatlong secrets ng successful business ay ang company. So, from the makers of the most famous food cart showmaking of House of Franchise. Na-awardan tayo noong 2020, 2021 at 2022 ng Franchise Company of the Year. Noong 2023, ng Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year. At meron din tayong ISO certification. At na-awardin din tayo ng Asia Leaders Award noong 2020, 2021, 2022 ng Franchise Company of the Year. At syempre pa ng Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year noong 2023. At noong 2024 ay muli tayo nakatanggap ng award as Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year. So narito kung paano nagsimula ang ating mga food cart. Noong 2006 ay nagkaroon tayo ng Noodle House open to several locations nationwide. Noong 2008 naman, Showmaking was developed and launched. Noong 2015, ang Potato King ay offered to the consumers. Noong 2016, with over 800 branches nationwide na sila. At noong 2020 ay nagkaroon tayo ng online and community franchise business. At noong 2023 ay nagkaroon tayo ng Commissary Receive ISO certification. At meron din tayong award by Asia Leaders Awards. At noong 2023 to present, meron na tayong mahigit 1,000 branches nationwide mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. At syempre pa noong May 2024 ay nagbukas tayo ng Ucha Milk Tea na kauna-unahang branch sa Shaw Boulevard, Pasig City. Ang ating operational food cart ay madalas matatagpuan sa mga SM, sa Ayala Malls, sa City Mall, CB Mall, Centro, Pure Gold at marami pang iba. We now proudly operate over 1,000 branches nationwide with our Shoma King, Noodle House, Potato King, and still growing. So dito sa House of Franchise, may mga food brands tayo na ino-operates. Ito yung Noodle House, Shoma King, Potato King, Shopo the King, at Boy Buandat. At syempre ang ating bagong food cart na ang Ucha Milk Tea. So leading health and beauty and wellness company founded in 2013. At si Mr. Dingdong Dantes ang ating brand ambassador ng JC Organic Barley. So ang JC Organic Barley ay nakatanggap ng award as Best Natural Supplement of the Year by Asia Leaders Award noong 2023. JC as Health and Wellness Company of the Year by Asia Leaders Award noong 2021. At MLM Company of the Year by Asia Leader Award noong 2020. So partnering with countries like New Zealand, Iceland, Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Vietnam, and others to ensure an unparalleled products experience for you. So narito ang JC International Headquarters. Meron tayo sa Italy, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Qatar, Singapore, Taiwan, Manila, Cebu, Davao. At ang JC International Business Center naman ay meron tayo sa Switzerland, Malaysia, Australia, Spain, San Francisco, USA. So kilalanin natin ang mga owners and founders nitong company natin. Ito sina Mr. Jonathan So, co-founder, president, CEO, and Carlito Makadangdang, co-founder, vice president, CFO. So alam niyo ba nakatanggap din sila ng parehong award sa Stargate People Asia as People of the Year and Men Who Matter 2021 and 2023. Meron din silang natanggap na award mula sa Quill Award, sa Asian Leaders Award, sa Reader's Digest Trusted Brand Awards, sa Asia CEO Award, sa Guillermo Mendoza, Golden Globe Award, na-feature din sila sa mga magazine katulad ng People Asia, sa Lifestyle Asia, sa Stargate People Asia, Men Who Matter, Rising Tigers, at narito ang mga magazines kung saan sila na-feature. At syempre pa ay na-feature din sila sa Rated Corina at sa CNN Philippines. Meron din sa Philippine Daily Inquirer, Billionario, Stargate People Asia, Lifestyle Asia, Philstar Global, Tribune, Rated Corina, CNN, at Rising Tigers. So pangalawa sa secrets of successful business ay product. So ang JC Organic Barley ang ating flagship product dito sa ating negosyo. Ito ay best-selling product. Most trending health juice. Best natural supplement of the year 2023. Millions sold worldwide. At internationally recognized. Fast fact, ang barley grass is the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. So ang barley grass ay nagtataglay ng 68 micronutrients. Ito ay binubuo ng 17 minerals, 16 vitamins, 17 enzymes, at 18 amino acids. Trivia, did you know that barley grass is 25 times richer in potassium than bananas, 11 times richer in calcium than milk, 7 times richer in vitamin C than orange, 5 times richer in iron than spinach, at 2 times richer in beta-carotene than carrots. So narito ang mga top leading causes of death mula 1999 to present. First, heart disease o atake sa puso. Pangalawa, cancer o tumor. Pangatlo, diabetes. Pang-apat, insomnia. So narito ang mga conditions na nagre-respond ang barley. May heart disease, cancer, prostate cancer, diabetes, high blood, kidney disease, at marami pang iba. So ang JC Organic Barley ay merong halal certification, FDA approved, organic certified sa Ministry of Singapore, Taiwan Food and Drug Administration, at marami pang iba. So ang JC Organic Barley Juice is the only barley with FDA approval in more than 10 countries in the world. At na-feature din tayo sa Reader's Digest, sa Healthcare Magazine, at sa PPD na most trusted ng mga doctors at pharmacists. So what can JC Organic Barley do to your body? So narito ang mga testimonials ng mga JC Barley users. So ang JC Organic Barley ay trusted by celebrities katulad ng Mr. Dingdong Dantes, ni Kylie Padilla, Richard Yap, Carla Abellana, at marami pang iba. So ang JC Organic Barley ay globally recognized at ginagamit din ng ibang mga lahi. At meron pa tayong ibang mga health products dito sa ating negosyo, katulad ng Calvit C, Forgreen, Glutafit, Omnifit, JC Barley Coffee at marami pang iba. Meron din tayong mga beauty products, wellness products, at syempre ang mga bagong nating products katulad ng Hydrating Matte Stick, ng Choco Barley, ng Collagen Barley, ng Nature's Own Shampoo, Conditioner, and Body Wash, at ng JC Coco Barley. Pangatlo, sa secrets of successful business ay profitability. So sa profitability, you can start earning through dropshipping and online selling, retailing, at wholesaling. So good news, wala itong membership fee, walang joining fee, at walang sign-up fee. So narito ang ilan sa mga perks and benefits ng ating negosyo. So syempre, magiging authorized wholesaler at retailer ka. This is doable and profitable business. Ito ay lifetime privilege at naipapamana. It is easy to manage. May ready business system. At syempre, entitled ka to access all branches globally. Ito ang mga paraan kung paano kumita dito. Sa dropshipping and online selling, you can start earning through dropshipping, e-commerce or online selling, at pwede kang kumita ng 20,000 up to 60,000 a month. So sa dropshipping and online selling, kunwari nakapagbenta ka ng 2 box sa isang araw. At kumita ka ng 960 pesos per day. Times 30 days, pwede kang kumita ng 28,800 per month. Sa ating food business naman, get a franchise shop link, earn up to 20%. Paano ba kumita using Siomai King Shop Link? So, ang kailangan mo lang ay mag-post ng mga products mo gamit ang iyong shop link. At doon, o-order si customer at si company na ang bahalang magpa-deliver ng iyong mga product. Hihintayin mo na lang ang commission mo ng Tuesday. So, kailangan mo lang siguraduhin na tama ang inilagay mong shop link para doon mag-order si customer. At ito ay example ng ating online store. Alam mo ba na ang online store na to ay pwedeng i-customize sa pangalan mo? At narito ang mga products na pwedeng makita sa loob ng iyong online store. Meron tayong Siomai King, Siopaw, at marami pang ibang mga products. Masasarap na at very quality pa. So alam mo ba na ang online franchise shop link ay nagkakahalaga ng 50 to 100,000 kapag pinagawa mo? Pero dito sa House of Franchise at JC Dropshipping Business ay makukuha mo lang for free. Ano ba kumita dito sa Siomai King? So kunyari nakapagbenta ka ng 3,000 pesos times 20% discount, ay pwede kang kumita ng 600 pesos. Times 30 days, ay pwede kang magkaroon ng 18,000 a month. At sa retailing naman sa JC, you can start earning through sell to your friends, family, office mates, or to your community. At pwede kang kumita ng 20 to 60,000 a month. Sa retailing, pwede kang magbenta ng 2 box sa isang araw. At pwede kang kumita ng 960 pesos per day. Times 30 days, ay pwede kang magkaroon ng 28,800 per month. So sa Siomai King, hari ng Siomai Community Franchise Business, ay pwede tayong mag-avail ng iba't ibang mga sulit pack katulad ng pork siomai, chicken siomai, beef siomai, spicy siomai, Japanese siomai, at marami pang iba. At syempre pa, ang bago nating sulit pack, longganisa siomai. At pwede rin tayong mag-avail ng mga siopaw katulad ng bola-bola, asado, spicy asado, spicy bola-bola, at marami pang iba. So, pwede kang kumita dito ng 16,800 a month. So, sa wholesaling naman sa JC, you can start earning through sell products in wholesale. Biggest income opportunity. At pwede kang kumita dito ng 70 to 450,000 a month. So, sa wholesaling, the more wholesale sets you sell, the bigger your income will be. So, pwede kang kumita dito ng up to 450,000 a month. So, good news. Additional privilege of an authorized wholesaler. Meron tayong 3R. Royalty, rewards, at rebates. So, sa royalty, ay pwede kang kumita ng 90,000 per month. Sa rewards naman, ay pwede kang magkaroon ng travel incentives. Pwede kang maging car achiever, ng house achiever, at pwede magkaroon ng luxury shopping. Sa rebates naman, ay pwede kang kumita ng 50,000 to 450,000 a month. So good news! How to be an authorized wholesaler globally? So pwede kang maging starter wholesaler. Ang matatanggap mong product supplies dito ay worth 22,000 pesos. Ang initial promo price ay 17,888 lang. So ang profit savings mo dito ay nagkaroon ka na agad ng 4,112. So you are up to 40% discount on your next purchase. So sa starter wholesaler, kunyari nakapagbenta ka ng 200,000 worth of products times 40%, ay pwede ka na magkaroon ng profit na 80,000. So kung 1 million naman ang iyong naibenta ng mga produkto times 40% discount, ay magkakaroon ka ng 400,000 pesos. So pangalawa ay wholesaler. Ang product supply na pwede mo matanggap dito ay 75,000 pesos. Ang initial promo price ay 53,664. So may profit savings ka na agad na 21,336 at up to 43% discount on your next purchase. So sa wholesaler, kunyari nakapagbenta ka ng 200,000 worth of products times 43% ay magkakaroon ka na agad ng 86,000 pesos. At kunyari 1 billion naman ang naibenta mo, times 43% ay magkakaroon ka ng 430,000 pesos. Pangatlo, ang super wholesaler. Pwede kang makatanggap dito ng product supplies worth 175,000. So, ang initial promo price nito ay 125,216. So, magkakaroon ka na dito ng profit o savings na 49,784. So, up to 47% discount ka naman on your next purchase. So, kunyari, nakapagbenta ka ng 200,000 worth of products times 47% ay meron ka ng kita agad na 94,000 pesos. So kung 1 million naman ang naibenta mong worth of products times 47% ay pwede kang kumita ng 470,000 pesos. Ang sunod ay mega wholesaler. So sa mega wholesaler, ang product supplies na pwede mong matanggap ay 375,000 pesos. Ang initial promo price nito ay 268,320. So meron ka ng profit o savings na 106,680. So up to 50% discount ka naman on your next purchase. Sa mega wholesaler, Kunyari nakapagbenta ka ng 200,000 worth of products times 50%, ay pwede kang kumita ng 100,000 pesos. At kapag 1 million worth of products naman ang naibenta mo, times 50%, ay pwede kang kumita ng 500,000 pesos. At ang last ay ang master wholesaler. So ang product supplies na matatanggap mo dito ay worth 775,000 pesos. So ang initial promo price nito ay 554,528. So may profit o savings ka na agad na 220,472. At up to 60% discount ka naman on your next purchase. So dito, kunyari nakapagbenta ka ng 200,000 worth of products times 60% ay pwede ka na agad kumita ng 120,000 pesos. At kunyari 1 million pesos naman yung naibenta mong products times 60% ay pwede ka nang kumita ng 600,000 pesos. So i-review natin ulit. Sa starter wholesaler, ang initial promo price nito ay 17,888. Sa wholesaler naman, 53,664. Sa super wholesaler ay 125,216. Sa mega wholesaler ay 268,320. At sa master wholesaler ay 554,528. So narito ang ilan sa mga kumita na dito sa ating negosyo. So you have to make one decision to change your life. Try! Hindi mo naman malalaman ang isang bagay kung hindi mo susubukan. Sabi nga nila, staying at your comfort zone is a lot more risky. So JC, get started today. Step 1. Contact the authorized wholesaler who assisted you to process your application. Step 2. Fill out the application form. Step 3 ay kailangan mo mag-select ng mode of payment. Meron tayong debit card, credit card, check payment, cash, online banking, at bank deposit. So once again, my name is Leonie Flor V. Suyat, your franchise consultant here in House of Franchise and JC Dropshipping Business. So today will never come again. Be a blessing. Be a friend. Encourage someone. Take time to care. Let your words heal and not wound. Thank you po and God bless.